Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this company, a new company named the Santa Duster, just sent us a package. We're about to check it out, see what their company's about, and check out their products. So let's get it. This is what the product looks like. I'm not gonna lie, this is my second time recording this video because the first video, an error happened or something like that where it wouldn't load to my MacBook. So this is the second time. That's why I'm not really unboxing it from the box it sent me, but nevertheless, here's the product. It also has the instructions on the side, a little bit of information about what the product is in the front and how to use it on the side. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Take a look at that. This is the 10 bristle package, ladies and gentlemen. From my understandings, they do have 4 different packages. They have the 10, they have the 20, the 50, and the 100. So depending on how busy you are, you pretty much dictate how many bristles you need. Like for a single day, I know a lot of us are cutting like 10 haircuts a day. A lot of you guys even more. So it's very situational, and it's pretty cool how they have customizable packages for every barber's needs. Just like that. There's nothing else in here. Close it up, put it away. So this is what it is right here. It kind of looks like one of those vanity mirrors. It has a nice matte black finish all around, and the bristles are right here. Can you guys get a good look at it? Very soft looking. I'm about to try it on my face right now. Okay. Like I said, I've tried this before, so I know kind of how it feels like. And I'm not gonna lie, this is a very soft bristles on it, and it's not like, you know, those soft bristles where you can't, like, it's so soft that it's not gonna take off the hair. So this really feels like it will take the hair. It has a nice like grip to it. It's very sturdy. The quality on this is pretty premium. You guys can just tell by feeling it, and you guys just check it out. I know a lot of the times you guys feel like some neck dusters have cheap bristles to the point where it doesn't take off the hair, but this one will definitely get the job done. Like I said, the bristles are soft but firm. Now, for the moment I've been waiting for, because to be honest, I've been looking at their Instagram since they told me they were going to send me this package, and I want to try this bad boy as one of their highlights. Let's check it out. By the press of this button, Alakazam. Now that's pretty dope. Look at that. So you release it by pressing the top, which has their cool logo on it. You press this, and it falls off. Pretty damn innovative in my opinion. I think a lot of the times, you know, companies all over the barber industry are focusing a little bit more on clippers and all that, which is not a bad thing. But that also leaves holes to be filled, which is the sanitation area, which is pretty awesome. Somebody's focusing on the sanitation part, which is a huge part of our industry, if you guys did not know. Honestly, thank you so much, Santa Duster, for sending me out this package. I cannot wait to share this with all the subscribers. For those of you watching this video right now, let me know what you guys think about this. Like, is this a game changer or what? For those of you who have a lot of clientele, the 50 or the 100 bristle package would be the best for you. That way, you know, let's say you cut 10 or something a day. I mean, you cut 10 people a day, that's like 70 a week, right? Give or take, if you're, you know, busy. That means you can just dispose of each bristle, and you just keep going. It's almost like, you know, the battery from this new Snap FX. Like, you just charge it, put it back, charge it, put it back, and rotation, you know? So that's pretty cool. I feel like it's gonna save a lot of time. I know a lot of people buy, you know, the simple little brushes, so, and you guys go through them like crazy. So I think this is, Santa Duster's onto something, man. And I mean, this is just a start for them, so I cannot wait to see, you know, obviously when you first start, you have a lot of trial and error, so I can't wait to see what they come out with next. But check this out, guys. Whoa, wrong side. So pretty much magnetized right there. Like I said, release, comes off. And then after you're done using this on your one client, you throw it away, and bam, you got a whole arsenal ready to go for your next client, your next client, your next client, and so on. So that's pretty cool, you know. It's pretty, I feel like it's very genius, it's very innovative, and I mean, it's a dope idea, man. It's a dope idea. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I know a lot of you guys only have like 1 or 2 neck dusters, so how would you guys change the game or change your personal barber game with one of these Santa dusters? Let me know in the comment section. And are you guys willing to try this product out is what I really want to know. Go check out Santa Duster's Instagram. Go check them out. Go give them a follow. Go show some love. Go check out their website. That's where you're able to purchase this at. I'll have some information here on the screen for you guys to check them out. Also in the description box, I will have their information. A couple of other things that they also included in the package was this pretty bomb sticker right here with their logo, brand and logo. And also one of my personal favorites, and small, it's like I said, guys, it's small details sometimes that are, you know, that take the icing on the cake. They also sent me this right here. It's a razor keys. I don't know if they're 2 different companies, but this is a separate company, I believe. Check this out. It's a straight edge razor for your keys, and then not only one, but 2 and 3. So I think that's pretty neat. You can, you know, to go take it somewhere to get it done. Get your house key. I don't know, different keys for different purposes. So I think that's a really neat addition to the package that was sent out. I really appreciate you guys. That was pretty dope. And it's actually on my keys right now. Yep, y'all already know. Ravens up, baby. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much the video. And I just want to give a huge shout out to Santa Duster. I really appreciate the package. Can't wait for any future products to come out. I know you guys are working hard. I honestly think this is going to have a huge impact in the barbering industry in a really good way. And blessings to you guys and your company. So with that being said, guys, let me know what you guys think about this product. You think it's pretty innovative or what? Do you guys think it's a game changer? If you guys think this will make a huge impact in the barbershop as opposed to traditional neck dusters, let me know what you guys think. And if you guys are willing to give this product a try, go check them out, like I said, and let me know in the comment. I know I've been a little bit MIA, guys. I even missed, you know, I got 12,000 subscribers now. I appreciate all of you guys for subscribing. I've just been really busy with life. Honestly, life happens, and you know, the business is keeping me super occupied, which is, you know, I'm working a lot on trying to free up my time so I can focus on myself as a barber and a content creator. So I'm working out some stuff, you know. I have to make some big decisions real soon, and I'm just excited, man. I'm glad to be back. I'm really looking forward to posting videos for you guys. And like I said, we hit 12,000 subscribers. I'm working on a pretty massive giveaway for you guys, and I'm excited, man. I honestly appreciate all of you guys who have been with me since the start and along the journey. And you know, this journey in life never ends. So we got a lot of dope contents coming out soon. And like I said, I really appreciate all you guys. Say what's up in the comment section, man. I haven't talked to a lot of you guys in a long time. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Stay tuned. We're gonna push out a lot more content. And like I said, I'm happy to be back. I'm in a better place now. And yeah, let's get it, man. Let's grind.